Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well. I'm Ash, y'all are watching Preen Ash Bae. Preposition. Preposition. What is the meaning of word preposition? Preposition means a word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. A word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of the sentence. A preposition is one of the parts of speech that correlates between two different words or phrases, usually about the time or place. Preposition का मतलब है स्थान, समय, दिशा आदि के संकेत के लिए संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से पहले प्रयुक्त शब्द या वाक्यांश. Famous prepositions that are used in our sentences. So you can take a look on these words. Examples. I'm going to Cuba. Sam threw a stone into the pound. The present is inside the box. They have gone out of the town. Friends, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all with new videos. Take care. Bye bye.